The media's role in elections is pivotal in ensuring transparency, accountability, and informed decision-making through unbiased reporting, fact-checking, and critical analysis. Here, at a public lecture organized as part of activities to mark the 2023 Press Week of the Lagos Council of the Nigeria Union of Journalists (NUJ), media scholars and practitioners are gathered to discuss paths to national restoration and peace following the outcome of the 2023 general elections. Professor Sunday Alawode, Dean, School of Communication and Media Studies, Lagos State University, delivered the lecture. He urged the media to x-ray what accounted for the level of voters' participation in the 2023 general elections.
The elections also saw the lowest turnout for the national contest in Nigeria's modern democratic history, with only 27% of registered voters participating. So what happened to the remaining 67% or 63%? And that is a minus for us, and we need to do something about it. And what must we do? We have a duty to the people. Because we are not only holding government accountable, we are also holding people accountable to the government. We have to hold people up. You have to perform your civic role. It is your obligation. You must do it. But then, we must provide an enabling environment. Safe enough for everybody. The joint observer mission urged the incoming government, lawmakers, and political parties to show genuine and renewed dedication to improving electoral and democratic processes, fighting corruption, and providing Nigerian citizens with responsive and trusted institutions. I don't even say trusted, I say strong institutions. That's what we need. If we have strong institutions, we see that we're able to move forward.
The chairman, Lagos State Council of the NUJ, Mr. Adeleye Ajayi, said lapses identified during the 2023 general elections must be addressed to chart paths for restoration and peace in the country.
The last election was marked with violence, some irregularities, which is normal. But we hope that the first election there will be improvement in all this area. Coalition, balloting, voters are after, but we believe that INEC is doing something to rectify all these lapses. And we also look at the court cases against some results, some political results. We believe that such a will be better. But as well as we have to be getting and the popular duty. And how can we be getting? Is by very well. Good remuneration, good package for journalists. This will make us very objective. Like journalists, we do have to find the embers of the city. We have to promote the mission of the nation. And that is what President Bola Ahmed Tinubu says, that there is a new state. I believe there is a new state. Nigerians, we have a way to play. In line with Section 22 of the American National Constitution, we have to monitor government, but we need to be objective in our editorial duty. If we are objective, we will set the nation at risk. There will be peace, there will be progress.
When journalists publish some facts about governance, then the parliament picks up the facts from the media and they begin their own investigation. It may go from there to court. When journalists publishes something even about the leader of a country, then the parliament picks it up. That is how the journalist, through the fourth estate of the realm, controls the three arms of government. It's not really control. The word is not control. In holding them to account, the journalist has a role to hold people in the judiciary to account, people in the legislature, and people in the executive arm of government.
Panelists at the event took turns to proffer solutions on how to achieve peace journalism and advised journalists to shun content that promote war or disharmony.
It is where we promote good journalism that there will be peace, there will develop, and there will be progress. So these are some of the things I think we have to take into consideration. When we have good people representing our government, we can say people are representing our district. as a 100%. Also, we must look at the works of INEC. Election is over now. What are they doing for those who are disenfranchised in that election? Have they delimited one constituency whereby such people can vote and when they can register so that they can vote in subsequent elections and not in the way of how we are doing this in the past, this is how we proceed. If we continue to do the same thing the way we have been doing in the past, we continue to get the same result and we are not making progress.